Welcome to the Skilled MBA Human Resource Management Case Study Series. At Skilled MBA, we explore how traditional industries harness technology to deliver innovation, efficiency, and customer-centric solutions. Today's case features the Red Collar Group, a Chinese apparel manufacturer that has redefined the fashion industry by embracing digital transformation and mass customization. Key strategic highlights include integration of advanced data analytics, AI, and automation into a traditionally manual industry, enabling mass customization at scale, allowing customers to design and personalize suits online, streamlining back-end operations to align with individual consumer preferences without sacrificing efficiency, enhancing customer satisfaction, brand differentiation, and global competitiveness through a tech-driven supply chain. This case illustrates how innovation in operations and customer engagement can create a scalable advantage even in legacy sectors like fashion manufacturing. Red Collar Group, originally a traditional suit manufacturer in Qingdao, China, has become a leader in mass customization. By integrating cutting-edge technology, they deliver personalized suits with the efficiency of factory production, redefining traditional manufacturing norms in the global fashion industry. Red Collar Group's transformation began with overcoming small batch production, high customization costs, and inventory challenges. By embracing digital transformation, they maintained quality tailoring while expanding their global reach. This strategic shift allowed them to address scalability issues and enhance their market presence, setting a foundation for future growth. Red Collar Group, originating in Qingdao, China, initially grappled with small batch production, high customization costs, and inventory management issues. Despite these challenges, they maintained a focus on quality tailoring. Recognizing digital transformation as a solution, they aim to overcome these limitations and expand their global reach. The digital transformation journey revolutionized traditional manufacturing by replacing manual processes with scalable, technology-driven solutions. Artificial intelligence, data analytics, and computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacturing systems digitized tailoring, enhancing efficiency. The RCMTM platform connects customers directly to production, while smart factories utilize real-time systems to respond to individual customer data, ensuring precision and customization in every garment. RCMTM's digital tailoring platform revolutionizes the industry with advanced body scanning for precise measurements, eliminating the need for physical presence. The interactive style customization interface empowers customers to choose fabrics, cuts, and details, visualizing them in real time. Seamlessly integrated with manufacturing systems, it translates customer preferences into actionable production instructions, ensuring a personalized fit. The mass customization model leverages modular product architecture, enabling unique combinations from standardized components for extensive personalization. A digital interface connects customer design choices directly to manufacturing, ensuring real-time production. Flexible manufacturing systems adapt swiftly to individual specifications, while data-driven optimization balances personalization and efficiency, achieving personalization at scale through smart integration of customer data. Red Collar's digital transformation significantly impacts business metrics. The made-to-order model reduces inventory by 75%, eliminating finished goods. Lead times decrease by 40% through streamlined digital processes, cutting production from weeks to days. Customer retention improves by 60%, driven by higher satisfaction and repeat purchases, enhancing overall business growth. Global expansion presents challenges in tailoring fit algorithms to regional body measurements and preferences. Fashion sensibilities vary, demanding adaptable designs for diverse markets. Additionally, differing data privacy laws necessitate strict compliance in collecting and storing customer measurements, ensuring adherence to regional regulations. Reliance on digital infrastructure poses risks, System outages can disrupt production without manual alternatives. Data security is crucial, as customer measurements and preferences must be protected against breaches. Rapid technological advancements necessitate ongoing investments in system upgrades to prevent obsolescence and maintain competitive edge. Enhancing virtual fitting with interactive 3D visualization tools can significantly improve customer experience. Developing market-specific algorithms allows for localized sizing and style preferences, catering to regional demands. Expanding business-to-business partnerships by offering white-label solutions to established brands can broaden market reach. Integrating sustainability by emphasizing waste reduction in made-to-order manufacturing strengthens environmental responsibility. Red Collar's model extends beyond apparel, revolutionizing furniture manufacturing with custom dimensions and materials while maintaining factory efficiency. In footwear, digital measurement and modular design enable personalized fit. Automotive interiors benefit from made-to-order configurations without sacrificing production efficiency. This approach offers a blueprint for traditionally mass-production industries to embrace customization. Red Collar overcame resistance to digital transformation by fostering a culture of innovation and providing comprehensive training. Technologies like artificial intelligence-driven analytics and automated production lines reduced costs while enhancing customization. Balancing standardization and localization involves adapting products to regional preferences without sacrificing efficiency. Contingency plans for technology failures include robust backup systems and regular infrastructure audits. Successful mass customization hinges on blending tradition with advanced technology. A data-driven approach positions customer information as the pivotal asset for production and strategy. Global expansion necessitates adapting core systems to regional preferences, ensuring efficiency while catering to local needs. Thank you for exploring this digital transformation and manufacturing innovation case study with Skilled MBA. We hope Red Collar Group's journey offered actionable insights into how data-driven operations can unlock personalization, productivity, and global relevance. For more case studies on industrial innovation, customer-centric business models, and smart manufacturing, connect with us. Mobile +91 87 553 email support@skilledmba.com website https://skilledmba.com/